Army begins exercise Golden Dawn in Southeast, Still Waters in South and Southwest regions. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe. If you're returning subscribers, I appreciate you so much for coming back to watch the video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share. It is very good so that YT will be able to recommend this video for other people to watch. Yes guys, this is a news from Sahara reporters saying that Nigerian army are now trying to, not they are trying, they have started, exercise in different parts of southern part of Nigeria. Then in the north, where bandit and Boko Haram and terrorists are doing all they are doing, they don't need to do exercise there. They don't need to go there. So I just want us to think about this, because previous years we heard about Operation Python Dance, Crocodile Smile, only in southeast. Now they have changed it to Udoka. That was the one they started a few weeks ago. They said maybe they have seen that the Udo is not really showing off, so they are changing. They are now considering to change it to Golden Dawn or whatever they called it. But in summary of all this nonsense, whatever they'll bring, that is what they're going to see. It is very obvious that the time that people are shying away from saying the truth is over, because you cannot tell somebody to keep quiet while you are dealing with the person mercilessly. What people are going through in the southern part of Nigeria, especially in Biafra land in southeast, is unbearable. If you doubt me, ask anybody from Imo State, Oro, and other part of Olo and other part of Imo State. In fact, the entire Imo State are receiving it here hot because of their brother in power and whatever he think he is, the so-called governor of Imo State. He is one shedding these people to buy their people, buy his people, because he is from Imo State as well. Other part of Igbo region are quite peaceful because of the security that the Biafran government in exile have put in place. They are checkmating the activities of these terrorists in uniform, because people don't know what is going on. Some people believe that it is wrong for Biafran agitators to step up to challenge the agencies in Nigeria trying to buy Igbo youth and all that. All know what is going on, this security in the whole country, Nigeria, and their focus is only in the south, in the southern part of Nigeria, southeast and southwest, and the south, the so-called south. All this nonsense they are doing is intentional. The northern leaders and the northern politicians are the one projecting destruction in the southern part of Nigeria. But the resistance of Biafra Liberation Army and the Biafran resistance forces are too huge for them to manage. That is why they are running helter-skelter. You can see here, another news says that Islam will be endangered if talaba, Nasarawa fall to non-Muslim governors. Popular cleric Sheikh Sokoto speaks on tribunal rulings. This is their mentality. They all want every governmental post belong to Muslim, and their focus and the main aim is for them themselves. Muslim. And Nigeria is supposed to be a secular state where you have different types of religion, people that from different race and background coming together as a one country and other, which is the aim of the British government, that when they are forming Nigeria, they just want everybody to be together for their own benefit. Now, the same thing that Britain did is what Fulani and their Muslim Brotherhood are doing as well. They want everybody to be together just for their own benefit, not because of the betterment of the one Nigerianist and other people that still believe that Nigeria will work somehow. You can see, just read this message and read meaning into it, because For a man of his age who claimed to be a cleric in Islam, it's just like when you say bishop says something like this, that having other religion to be in the cordon of power is endangering Christianity. Imagine bishop saying that, and the reaction that northern politicians and northern leaders will come out with. What would be their reaction if a Christian drop this kind of nonsense in public? And the level of the intimidation and the harassment from Muslim and terrorist gangs is so huge that people from other parts and other religions are scared to even react to this kind of news. If you say something like that, they will use federal government to come after you, no matter who you are. So, as a Christian, you are not a Muslim, you are a Christian, and you are not even a pastor, you are not even a reverend, not even a deacon, you are just a member of a religion, you are just a Christian, a male Christian, per se, and you notice that your leader in Christianity are not speaking, or fight for the religion or defend the religion which they are heading. What will be your fate? What do you think you will do in that kind of condition? For a leader of a Muslim coming out to tell you that it is wrong, that it is endangering their own religion, when another religion is in the power. So, do they care about your own feelings when the Muslims are in the power? The answer is no. Telling you that all their mission and their aim is to subjugate you, sit on you, control you, and lead you by force. Whatever you want to do, you can. They will handicap you through the power of government. Now, Nigeria is a secular state that have a constitution. Are they using the constitution? The answer is no. They did the election and put Tinubu and his Muslim brother as a president and a vice. What did the Christian do about it? Do they even protest about it? The answer is no. But a Muslim cleric is telling you that ordinary governor of a state, not the entire country, okay, that if another religion is in the power, not a Muslim, that is a problem for Muslim people. It's a problem for Muslim religion. So if it's a problem for Muslims, what will be a problem for Christians? That is why it is always good for everyone to understand the reason why breaking up this country is best for everybody. Best for Muslim, best for Christian, best from traditionalists and whoever and whatever religion that you may find yourself in. Yes, Nnamdi went to court 2 days ago. It happens that Michael Zakeme, who is considered to be senior advocate or a son in Nigerian judiciary system or whatever they call it there, made a comment that triggered a lot of questions that people, raised their eyebrow. What is going on? Are we dreaming? He came out and said that Nnamdi is not after Biafra. That he's have already, denounced Biafra. That they are not, he's no more fighting for Biafra. He's saying those things just to, buy attention of federal government that Nnamdi is willing to collaborate, or he is trying to sell Nnamdi out, just like what Ejiofor has been doing all these years. I keep on wondering who, bring this man into Nnamdi's legal team, because ever since he joined that legal team, when he joined, people celebrated. People were happy that, oh my God, he's a senior advocate. He knows what he's doing, and he's this. He have a integrity. He's a nice man. He's this and that. Blah 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 blah. But after one court, after the first court sitting, second one, third one, he's beginning to, manifest his true color. He's beginning to give in unnecessary press release, saying what he shouldn't be saying in public, mentioning Nnamdi in a manner that he don't even show any respect or concern, knowing fully well that people attach their faith and belief towards Nnamdi and the entire region of the southeast. 95% of people from southeast Igbos are in our allegiance to Mazi Nnamdi, because We all know what he represents. We know what he wants. He's not only fighting for Igbos. If you have conscience, if you're a human being at all, you understand what Nnamdi Kanu stands for. Nnamdi Kanu is someone who believes that everybody have an equal right. He's a civilized man. He's a very good man, a very kind-hearted person. But because he's speaking the truth, condemning the evil, those that are committing the evil are now after him. This man mentioning that Nnamdi Kanu is this and that, he said, after saying that, after a few hours, you can see here, as the Sahara Reporter have it, this is the news. Today is Saturday, and 3 hours ago, they posted this information saying that Nigerian High Court jails kidnappers of senior lawyer Mike Ozekeme for 20 years. If you remember, that was almost 8 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, that this man was kidnapped. So since then, nothing has happened. He did not get his justice. He did not, there's no persecution to the kidnappers and anything. But now he's siding federal government, trying to lure Nnamdi Kanu and say him out, just like, from where Ejiofor stopped, because Ejiofor is the one that brought him back to Nigeria with a collaboration with DOS. Now he is now pushing from where Ejiofor has stopped to sell Nnamdi Kanu out totally. He's doing that, believing that he's doing the right thing, making sure that he completely sells Nnamdi Kanu out. After doing so, that his comment he made after the court sitting 2 days ago. Federal government is now getting justice, and by jailing his kidnappers for years. Remember when Nnamdi Kanu was in the court? That was months back. I think about 4 months. The court sitting he had before this previous one. This man supposed to be in the court. He did not. He went to that moment. He traveled to US. Nnamdi Kanu came to court without any good representatives, and that was that. As if that one is not enough, he came back saying that Nnamdi Kanu said that sit-at-home must stop and all that. He is just like a lawyer to federal government, pretending to be defending Mazi Nnamudi Kanu. It is a very, very big shame. Very, very big shame. We all need to know what is going on, because a lot of people are blindfolded with fake information and fake news. People are not able to reason, to comprehend what is going on and read the body language of those that are speaking for them. This man should be questioned honestly. Where Ejiofor stopped is where he continued. I'm going to stop here. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you on my next video. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye-bye.